Good morning to all. Today I discuss about mass transfer operation 1. Unit number 6, equipment for gas liquid operations. Okay, એમાં આપણે જોઈશું first of all the discussion part and gas disperse and also liquid disperse. The first part છે sparge vessel and also mechanically agitated vessels. Okay, then after a discussion part for sparge vessel and also gas bubble diameter. Okay, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે ફર્સ્ટ પોઈન્ટ ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ for equipment for gas liquid operations. Okay, the simply purpose of this and equipment used for gas liquid operations. Okay, this is a gas liquid operations chair for a gas liquid contact. Okay, and it is a provide to intimate contact of the two fluid in order to permit interface diffusions of the constituent. The rate of mass transfer is directly dependent upon to the interfacial surface between the different phases. Okay, liquid अथवा तो gas कोई भी हो सके आना माटे. Then and the nature and degree of dispersion of one fluid in the other fluid are the therefore of prime importance. Okay, any equipment જે પાર્ટમાં જ છે is a gas liquid operations. Okay, જે all equipment જોઈશું આપણે તે gas liquid operation ના બેસિસ પર આવશે. Okay, then the rate of mass transfer is directly dependent upon the interfacial surface exposed between the phases, and the nature and degree of dispersion of one fluid is the other, or therefore of prime importance. The equipment can be broadly classified according to the weather. Its principal action is to disappear the gas or the liquid, although many device both phases for a disperse. Okay, the first part છે gas disperse, એમાં જોઈશું આપણે sparge vessel. Okay, this is the gas disperse. In this group are included those devices such as sparge and agitated vessel. Okay, mechanically agitated vessel જોઈશું આમાં first sparge vessel અને mechanically agitated vessel, and the various types of tray tower in which the phase gas disperse into bubble or forms. Tray tower are formed the most important of the group since they produce counter current multi-stage contact, and the simple vessel contactor have many applications. એની અલગ અલગ એપ્લિકેશન્સ છે તે જોઈશું આપણે. ઓકે, અને ગેસ અને લિક્વિડ આર કન્વેન્ચ્યુઅલી ટુ બી કનેક્ટેડ. ઓકે, એકબીજાને કનેક્ટેડ હશે. સિમ્પલી એમાં આપણે જોઈશું સ્પાર્જ વેસલ, મિકેનિકલ એજિટેટેડ વેસલ, ગેસ લિક્વિડ કોન્ટેક્ટ ટ્રે ટાવરના ઇન્ટરનલ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ટ્રેસ જોઈશું. વિયર, ડાઉન કોમર્સ, ક્રાઇટેરિયા ફોર ધ સિલેક્શન્સ. ઓકે, ફ્લોડિંગ, લોડિંગ, કોનિંગ, વિપિંગ અને ડમ્પિંગ. ઓકે, જે ટ્રે ટાવરમાં ઓલમોસ્ટ બધું આવી જશે. ઓકે, એન્ડ ધ લિક્વિડ ડિસ્પર્સમાં જોઈશું આપણે વેન્ચુરી સ્ક્રબર, વેટેડ ઓવર ટાવર, સ્પ્રે ટાવર, પેક ટાવર. ઓકે, ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ પેકિંગ, રેન્ડમ પેકિંગ, રેગ્યુલર પેકિંગ, ઇન ઓલ્સો માસ ટ્રાન્સફર કોફિશિયન્ટ ઇન અ પેક ટાવર, કાઉન્ટર કરંટ ફ્લો ગેસ લિક્વિડ ઓપરેશન માટે એની ઇફેક્ટ જોઈશું, એક્શિયલ મિક્સિંગ, લાસ્ટમાં જોઈશું ટ્રે ટાવર વર્સિસ પેક ટાવર. ઓકે, that could be in this group are included this device such as sparge vessel and agitated vessel, and the various types of trays, જેમાં bubble cap tray, sieve tray, ballast tray, okay, valve tray, in which the gas phase is dispersed into bubble or foams. The tray are the most important of the group since they produce counter current, and also multi-stage contact, but the simpler vessels contactor have many applications. Gas and liquid can conveniently to be contact with the gas dispersed as bubble in agitated vessel. Okay, whenever the multi-stage counter current effect are not required, this is particularly the case when a chemical reactions between the dissolved gas and a constituent of the liquid is required. Okay, the carbonations of lime slurry, the chlorinations of paper stock, and hydrogenations of vegetable oils, and the aerations of fermentation broth, and the productions of penicillin Okay, this is the simply penicillin productions and the production of citric acid and the base sugar by actions for any microorganisms, and these aeration activated sludge for biological oxidations are example in this perhaps significant that in the most of these suspended in the liquid any bubble columns, because the more complicated countercurrent towers have a tendency to clog with such a solid because of the suspended in the liquid easily in agitated vessel. Okay, and the latter are usually more successfully such devices for a gas liquid mixture mechanical agitated vessels as with an impeller or as a simplest design for a agitated can be accomplished by the gas itself in the sparge vessel. The operations may be semi-batch with the continuous flow of the gas as the quantity of liquid continues with the flow of both phases. Okay, this is a discussion part for a gas disperse. એમાં જોઈશું આપણે ફર્સ્ટ sparge vessel with bubble columns. Okay, the sparge vessel is a device for introducing a stream of a gas in the form to small bubbles. ઓકે, આપણે જે પેનિટ્રેશન થિયરીમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા આ સિમ્પલી જે બબલ્સ છે. ઓકે, એ બબલ્સમાં ગેસ તો હોવાનો, આ સરફેસ જે છે લિક્વિડ હોવાની. ઓકે, બટ જે અંદરનો પાર્ટ છે એ ગેસ ટર્મમાં હશે. In the form of small bubble in a liquid. If the vessel diameter is small, the spargel located at the bottom of the vessels may be supply simply be an open the tube through which the gas is used into the liquid for vessel of diameter greater than the roughly 0.3 meter. It is better to use of several orifices for introducing the gas to the ensure better gas distribution. In that case, the orifice may be holes from 1.5 to 3 mm यानी कि 1.16 to 1/4 in a diameter में part में हसे this one. Okay, and drill in a pipe distributor the place horizontally at the bottom of the vessels. A porous plate made of ceramics, plastics or sintered metal are also used, but their fine pore size are more radially plugged with solid which may be presented into gas or liquid basis, and the purpose of this sparging may be contacting the sparge gas with the liquid on the other hands. Okay, this is the simply discussion part for the on the other hand. Okay, the conducting the sparge gas with the liquid on the other hand simply device for agitations. It can provide the gentlest of agitations used for example in a washing nitrogen silent water in the can be provide vigorous agitations as a any tank for air agitations in the extractions radioactive also. Okay, and then the air agitations in a extraction and also radioactive liquid offers the advantages for of freedom for moving parts, but it they the required decontaminations of the influent in air. There is no standardizations of the depth of the liquid. Okay, જે આપણે टे ટાવરમાં જોઈશું જેમાં વિયર ડાઉનસ્પોટ આવશે. ઓકે, and the need very deep tank or a more maybe advantages the large work of the compression required of the gas. Okay, this is a simply discussion part for a sparge vessels. Okay, then after the gas bubble diameter simply discussion part જોઈએ આપણે. gas bubble નો diameter કેટલો છે, and then the racing velocity single bubbles are also part for this one. Swarm of gas bubbles, gas holdups, specific interfacial area, also mechanical agitated vessels part છે એ જોઈશું આપણે. mass transfer operation, power, this one mechanical agitated vessel. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ જોયું આપણે ગેસ ડિસ્પર્સમાં સ્પાર્જ વેસલ અને મિકેનિકલ એજિટેટેડ વેસલ તે જોઈ લઈએ. Mechanical agitations of a liquid usually by a rotating device especially suitable for a dispersing solid liquid gaseous liquid. Okay, simply figure માં જોયું આપણે તો એમાં impellers use થાય છે, different types of impeller, this one. Okay, which one is the different types of impeller and in these operations? First છે marine type propeller, second one flat bed turbine, third one disc flat turbine, fourth one curved blade turbine and a pinch blade turbine and a surrot turbine. These are different types of the impeller. એમાં આપણે mechanically agitated vessels માં જોઈએ છીએ. Okay, this is a impeller. તો એનો ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ જોઈએ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધી મિકેનિકલ એજિટેટેડ વેસલમાં. Mechanical agitations of a liquid usually by a rotating device is especially suitable for disappearing solid liquid or gases into liquid, and it is used for many of the mass transfer operations. Okay, many of the mass transfer operations, and agitations can produce very high turbulence intensities. Okay, and the agitating impeller construct with about 0.04 for turbulent flow in pipes which not only produce the good mass transfer coefficient, okay, good mass transfer coefficient, and agitations can produce very high turbulence intensities constructed with about for a turbulent flow in pipes which not only produce good mass transfer coefficient but are necessary for effective dispersions of liquid and gases also, and the high liquid velocities particularly desirable for a surrounding solid are readily obtained. It will be useful for first establish the characteristics of these vessels. Okay, then the simply for steering single phase liquid as in a blading, for example applications to particular transfer operations will be considered separately later. Okay, in this part for mechanical agitation of single phase liquid, a typically agitated vessel are vertical circular cylinder rectangular tanks are unusual although none uncommon in the certain liquid extraction. In the application that liquid are usually maintained at a depth of 1 to 2 tank diameter almostly. ઓકે, હવે આપણે ઇમ્પેલર્સ જોયા કે ઇમ્પેલર્સમાં આપણે કઈ કઈ મિક્સિંગ થાય એજિટેશન અને મિક્સિંગ. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી એક પાર્ટ જોઈએ મિકેનિકલ એજિટેશન વેસલનો, બીજો એક પાર્ટ છે ધીસ વન વોર્ટેક્સ ફોર્મેશનમાં છે, વોર્ટેક્સ ફોર્મેશન એન્ડ પ્રિવેન્શન. Okay, this is a mechanically agitation vessel part. The vortex type માં આવ્યો છે this one. Simply એના ટાઈપ જોઈએ this one. The first one is a marine impeller, disc blade turbine and a full vessel without gas liquid interface, જે without buffers વાળા છે. ઓકે, સ્ટાર્ટિંગના જે ટાઈપ જો આપણે એ હતા ઇમ્પેલરના ટાઈપ હતા. આ જો ફર્સ્ટ જે બેફલ્સ દ્વારા છે ટોટલી મિક્સિંગ થાય છે અંદર. આ સેકન્ડ વન, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ થર્ડ વન. ઓકે, ફૂલ વેસલ વિધાઉટ વોર્ટેક્સ ટાઈપમાં છે. Okay, then a discussion part for impeller. There are literally for a score and design discussion in the limited most popular as shown in figure 6.3. There are usually mounted on a axially arranged for a motor driven. Figure 6.4 માં જોઈશું તો અલગ અલગ રેશિયોના ટાઈપના હશે. એનો રેશિયો આપ્યો છે di/t in the 1/5 or less. The liquid flow is axial and the propeller is turbined so that it is produced downward flow toward the bottom of this vessel. In describing the propeller, which refer to the ratio of distance advance per revolutions by a free propeller operating without slip of the propeller, and diameter. A square pinch, which is most common in agitated design, mean a pitch equal to the unity in impeller liquid blending operations of the mass transfer purpose. ઓકે મેન છે આમાં ફિગર ડ્રો કરશો તો તમે કન્સિડર કરશો ટાઈપ્સ લખશો તો તમને ફૂલ માર્ક્સ મળી જશે એમાં. ઓકે ઇઝ અ મેરીન ટાઈપ પ્રોપેલર, ફ્લેટ બ્લેડ ટર્બાઇન, ડિસ્ક ફ્લેટ ટર્બાઇન ઓલ્સો, કર્વ્ડ પ્લેટ ટર્બાઇન, પિંચ બ્લેડ ટર્બાઇન ઓલ્સો. ઓકે એન્ડ અધર ટાઈપ ફોર અ વોર્ટેક્સ ફોર્મેશન, એના આપણે ટાઈપ જોયા છે ઓલરેડી. ઓકે ધીસ વન marine impeller disc flat turbine in a full vessel without a gas liquid interface. Clear? This is a simple part for a mixing and agitated vessel. Clear? So thank you so much. Next lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું ટ્રે ટાવર. ઓકે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે ટ્રે ટાવર જોઈશું. એમાં ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ટ્રેસ કઈ યુઝ થાય છે, એમાં વિયરનો યુઝ શું છે, ડાઉન કોમર શું છે, એના ક્રાઇટેરિયા સિલેક્શન કયા છે, એમાં ફ્લોડિંગ, લોડિંગ, કોનિંગ, વિપિંગ, ડમ્પિંગ બધું આવી જશે અંદર. ઓકે તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે આ સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ પૂરું કરી દઈશું. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.